Okay, welcome children to the computers group. So now the first topic which we are covering today is number system. What is a number system? What definition I have written? It is a technique to represent the numbers. You might have done in your mathematics also. है ना? Like the number system which we people are following or opting in mathematics is decimal number system. So see, first I'll go for number system, then only this definition will be clear to you. Now see, decimal number system. Decim stands for 10. So now in the mathematics, in maths, what we are having? We are having 0 to 9. These are called digits. Means these are generally the symbols which we are using in mathematics to represent the numbers. So 0 to 9 are digits. We call them digits. Fine. So in maths, which number system we are following? Decimal number system, in which how many digits or how many symbols we are having? 0 to 9. Rest all other numbers are formed by the combination of this, like 10 means when 1 and 0 is there, then it forms 10. Clear? So now just we are recalling your maths. Like suppose you are writing any number, 269. So what is this? This is a decimal number. Fine. This is a decimal number. Its places are given. This is ones, this is tens, and this is hundreds. Even you have done expanded forms also. You always do like this: 9 multiplied by 1 plus 6 multiplied by 10 plus 2 multiplied by 100. Fine. So now from where this concept came, that we are supposed to expand or get the value of a number like this. Now see, I have written 269. So always while writing any number in any number system, each place is written with the number of digits. How many? This decimal number system is having how many digits? 10 digits. So this means with the increasing powers of 10, 10 raised to power 0 means its place is 10 raised to power 0. Its place is 10 raised to power 1. Its place is 10 raised to power 2, and so on up to, like suppose 1 is there. So it will be 10 raised to power 3. This way we give the places or the values of each place. This way it is done. Now you will say it is 1. Why it is 1 over here? Rest you know. 10 raised to power 1 is 10. You know what are powers, na? Like suppose I am writing 10 raised to power 2. It doesn't mean 10 multiplied by 2. This is completely wrong. This means how many times 10 is being multiplied? 2 times. 10 multiplied by 10 is equal to 100. Clear to everyone? Same way. This is, you will say this is 1 because you have done laws of exponent, that 9 into 10 raised to power 0. 9 into 10 raised to power 0 will be equal to 9 multiplied by 1. Why? In laws of exponent, any number raised to power 0 is always equals to 1. So same thing is applied over here. But in junior classes, you have not done laws of exponent, so you might not be aware ki why this is 1. But now I think this is clear to everyone. So this can be expanded like this: 9 multiplied by 10 raised to power 0 plus 6. This way you can give the values of each place. 2 multiplied by 10 raised to power 2 plus 1 multiplied by 10 raised to power. Hope this is clear to everyone. Fine. So I think decimal number system, as we have done in the earlier classes also, this thing is very clear to everyone. Fine. So what is decimal number system? This number system we are following in the maths. And what is a number system? Generally used to, this is the technique used to represent the numbers. So in this, how many symbols we are using to represent numbers? Only 0 to 9. Rest we are not using any other. Fine. So this is clear. Now moving on to another number system, that is binary number system. So you know binary number system as you have done in computers. Which language computer understands? Computer understands machine language. You know what is a machine language? Which is written in the form of zeros and ones. Fine. Bi means what? Bi means 2. Bi means 2. So binary means the number system which is having only 2 symbols. 2 symbols, and those symbols are 0 and 1. Only zeros and ones means in a binary number system, like in decimal number system, except 0 to 9, You don't use any other symbol. Same way, in binary number system, except 0 and 1, we don't use any other symbol. No any other symbol is being used. For this, I am calling symbol. Now see, 0 to 9, they are known as digits. So in a binary number, zeros and ones, they are known as bits. What are they known as? Bits. Same way, except 0 and 1, nothing is written. No other symbol is there. Like suppose you are writing any binary number. So this is a binary number. This is a binary number. You won't write this is wrong. This is not a binary number because this symbol is not there in binary number system. In binary number system, only how many symbols you are having? 2. That is zeros and ones. Clear to everyone? So now, don't get confused. Now you will say like I am writing this. I am writing this. Fine. And here, what I am writing? This. Fine. In this it is known as 10. What it is known as? 10. Here you won't call it 10. इसको 10 नहीं बुलाते हैं यहाँ पे. इसको 10 नहीं बुलाते हैं यहाँ पे. इसका मतलब है 2. वो कैसे है वो हम बाद में करेंगे. Leave it. But अब आप बोलोगे, suppose I am giving a this number. This. So how you will come to know whether this is binary or decimal? आपको कैसे पता चलेगा? है ना? अगर यही नंबर हम डेसिमल में लिखते हैं तो हम इसको ऐसे लिखेंगे 10 टू द बेस 10. हम अब जब भी हम नंबर सिस्टम करेंगे तो उसमें जब भी हम कोई नंबर रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे तो हमेशा हम उसका बेस लिखेंगे. जैसे डेसिमल नंबर में कितने डिजिट्स होते हैं? 10. 0 से लेके 9 तक. तो जब भी इसका कोई नंबर लिखेंगे हम तो उसके साथ हम उसका क्या लिखेंगे? बेस और रेडिक्स. व्हाट इज दिस? बेस और रेडिक्स साथ में लिखते हैं. वी ऑलवेज राइट अलॉन्ग विद दिस. सपोज आई एम राइटिंग बाइनरी नंबर. So in binary I am writing 1 0. So I'll write here base 2. So from here I'll come to know that this is what? This is a binary number. Like suppose I'm asked to do any of the calculation or any expression is given to me. Like so in decimal what you'll call 1010. But it is suppose written in binary, so I will write 2. But in decimal, if it is in decimal like 1000 and 10, so it will be written as like this. It will be written as this way. Clear to everyone? So here I have told you how to expand it. So I will write it like this. This is 10 ka power 0, 10 ka power, 10 ka power and 10 ka power 3. So how will I expand it? 0 into 10 raised to power 0 plus 1 into 10 raised to power 1 plus into 10 raised to power 2 plus 1 into 10 raised to power 3. Only this much you have to do. Same way in binary number system. How I am going to expand? See, how many digits are there? 10. So with increasing power of 10, I am giving the value for each place. Here, how many digits are there? 2. So I'll go for increasing powers of 0. Sorry. So expand it. One into 2 raised to power 1 plus 2 raised to power, this is 2, this is 3. Clear to everyone? This way it is being expanded. Okay. So now I have told you earlier, like this is a 1000. Okay, leave it. I have told you this is what? This is called as 10. इसको हम क्या बुलाते हैं? 10. But here I have told you that this is a binary number. So this is called as 2. How it is called as 2? Let me tell you. So let us expand it. Fine. ये हो जाएगा 10 raised to power 0, ये हो जाएगा 10 raised to power, sorry, ये हो जाएगा 2 raised to power 0 और ये हो जाएगा 2 raised to power 1. करें? इसका प्लेस क्या हो गया? 0 multiplied by 2 raised to power 0 प्लस 1 का प्लेस क्या हो गया 1 इंटू 2 रेज टू पावर 1। करो इसको कैलकुलेट। देखो बेटा इसको बाइनरी में ऐसे ही लिखेंगे, बट अगर आपको ये समझना है कि इसको क्या बोलते हैं या किसका वैल्यू इतना होता है, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट। जब हमने बोला 2 तो 2 का मतलब डेसिमल, तो इसको मतलब देखो अब करते हैं, वेट, 2 रेज टू पावर 0 मीन्स 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0, दिस इज 1, दिस इज 0 multiplied by 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 1 is 2 which is equal to 2. What answer comes out to be 2. तो इसका मतलब क्या है, अब मैंने इसको 10 लिख दिया, क्यों लिखा 10? सी ये क्या है, डेसिमल नंबर, ठीक है, इसको हम 10 बोलते हैं। हमने आज तक यही पढ़ा है कि दिस इज कॉल्ड 10, वी नो वेरी वेल, बट वी आर दिस नंबर सिस्टम इज न्यू टू अस, 1 0. नो, in computers you know each and everything is represented in the form of zeros and 1. So we just want to know कि 1 0 means what is being represented in the form of 1 and 0 in computers. We are not knowing computer language 1 0, but we should know that it is representing which number that we know, that is decimal number. So we need to convert it into. So what I have written, I've written its places with the base 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 1, written 2 raised to power 0 multiplied by 0 plus 2 raised to power 1 multiplied by 1. Now while doing the calculation, what I am getting, 2 to the base 10 means the decimal number 2 in binary is represented as what? 1 0. The decimal number 2 in binary is represented as this. बात समझ आई? So आज हम इतना ही करेंगे. This much is enough for you. Please do well, go through the video, make notes, and thank you so very much.